Today we have a pretty fat snowstorm and I've decided to take my small, old, rear-wheel drive hatchback for some adventures. So let's see how this goes. Okay, got it. Woo! Come on, Cybertruck. If I can do it, you can do it, bro. Fog lights are on. Both wipers are on. This is fantastic. Very low consequence driving. Okay, no traction. Woo. That was a last minute decision, by the way. Nice. Got an ATV. That's sick. Woo! Woo! Nice. And now because I hammered on the car a little bit, my heat's working, so my defrost is working. Let's see if they salted the highways, because if they didn't, then we're gonna have a problem. Oh, come on, no. There you go. I knew I might have gotten stuck, but I didn't. There you go. Definitely gonna need gas. Definitely gonna need some gas. I want my gloves. Where's my other glove? Where is my other glove? Nice. Alright, this is the exit ramp. The plow just went straight on back, so this is all you, Pedro. Whee! Whee! Oh, that's the curb. Careful. Oh man, this is too fun. 2 X's. Oh no! Wow, if you brake, if you pat on the brakes, dude, just straight understeer. Come on, dude, no. You have a fucking all-wheel drive SUV, bro. Come on. I'm gonna fucking get stuck, you idiot. Yeah, don't mash the gas, bro. I mean, maybe you'll have to. I'm almost there. There's a big ass truck coming. There you go. Big ass truck hauling ass. Woo! Oh my god, yeah, this is very unstable, but we're good, we're good. Yeah, I gotta go. I can't haul ass right now. But we good, we chilling. So, oh my god. This is kind of hilarious. I'm gonna go behind these trucks. Actually, I'm gonna just go wherever the hell I want, man. There's no lanes anymore. Okay, guys. Dude in a Porsche Cayenne is flashing his blinkers, can't drive straight. So actually here close to where I'm going to pick up Rachel, seems like it's a little worse. Like the highway was fine, but you know, that's her exit. The exit is right here and it's completely like no one's been on there. So I guess that's where we're going. But yeah, the snow here is weird, or I guess less people have gone this far. I don't know. I'm just gonna ride this actually. Wow, yeah, and I can't see. Like the snow is getting harder and harder to see through. But it's aight, it's aight. Okay, this is like a target I gotta hit. I gotta make sure. Oh, it's actually easier. I guess the less disturbed snow is better. I think I'm yapping too much. I'm gonna quit yapping. Oh, yo, drifties. Is that open? I kind of need some gas. I'm gonna get some gas right now before this plows me. Oh, it's okay. I'll get gas somewhere else on the way back. I always wanted to drift this corner. This is gonna be so fun. I'm going. Yo. Nice. All right, so actually yesterday I ended up getting stuck in the snow. So let's see if today's a little better. A little bit. Let's see if I can get out of here. Oh. Nope. I gotta do a better job. I know I didn't do much of a good job, to be honest. Really, bro? That's what. That's probably it. All right, back to shoveling. So I just found an empty Dollar Tree parking lot. Let's see what this place has to offer. Yo! Oh my god! Yo! I'm linking it! Oh! No, that's just grass. I thought that connected.